Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the RPM meter is compatible with your bike and you have the mounting hardware. Attach the sensor to the crank or hub and route the cable so it won't catch moving parts. Once mounted, power on the meter and enter wheel size and sensor type. This ensures accurate conversion to RPM. Make sure batteries are fresh. If the display is dim, replace immediately. Now you're ready to take a short test spin to verify readings. You continue by calibrating on a steady ride for 1 to 2 minutes so the meter stabilizes. During that ride, observe current RPM, average, and max modes. Toggle through them to learn what each shows. If the values jump or lag, stop and adjust sensor to magnet spacing or sensitivity in the settings. Small shifts of a few millimeters matter. Once done, ride through varied cadences to confirm linear response. Make sure to save settings so the meter uses the same profile next time. You finish by tightening mounts and rechecking cable routing to prevent signal loss during rides. If the meter shows no reading, stop, check the battery, confirm sensor alignment, and repair any wireless connections. Often the fix is simple. If readings are intermittent, try a quick swap. Test the sensor with a phone app or another meter to isolate whether the sensor, display, or wiring is at fault. Finally, keep a small toolkit and spare batteries with you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.